2 is finally here as we're doing 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this wonderful golden Halloween themed trophy. Now in order for me to receive this trophy, what I have to do is find a design. I have to slice it, edit it, film it, upload it on a daily basis for the month of October. Let's get into today's print. Alright, now that we've gotten into that print, I'm also going to do a little size comparison. Something I didn't do in the first video, but we'll be doing it in the next couple videos. This is it. Not too much today. I'm just really excited to show you guys what we're capable of doing on a large scale. And one more thing too, a lot of these prints are just going to be the prints themselves. They're not going to be colored or anything like that. Now leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see next. We are still 29 days away from the end of this challenge, but if you guys enjoy any of the prints that you guys see and would like to see them colored, if we see more feedback in that, then we'll maybe find some time to color them and re-showcase them as maybe a short, or just do a quick little video on it of what we can do here. Because we have a great team that works here. And if you guys did happen to enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We will be having content coming out every single day at 9 a.m. this whole entire month of videos, and then you'll also be seeing a short as well on the channel. You guys, tomorrow, as I get some things going